This year's event marks the 20th anniversary of both Fairfax Futures and of us hosting this event for the community. We're here today at the Fairfax County Government Center. We have hundreds of educators in attendance. These are educators who work with young children 0 to 5, who work in family child care programs, center-based community programs, and FCPS, the Fairfax County Public School pre-K programs. So today's event is going to provide educators with strategies, key techniques, and just tools that they can take back to the classroom. Partnerships are so important to our work here at Fairfax Futures. We have an ongoing partnership with Fairfax County's Neighborhood and Community Services. Without them, this event would not have happened. We have a great long-term partnership with the PNC Foundation. They are our premier event sponsor, and having them be a supporter of this work and showing the care for the community and the desire to encourage educators to go into the field and continue to stay in the field so that we can instill the next generation of learners and have employees ready to enter the workforce and thrive. That's what it's all about, bringing those partners to the table to support this mission. This has been a great event. What a wonderful turnout. We are really looking forward to hosting this event again next year.